Going shopping is no longer a simple task like some years ago. That is, if you want to avoid just some of the culprits that affect your health. There are labels on most of the grocery items. How correct or trustworthy are they? For the consumer, knowing what to buy and exploring the health benefits of food is the first step for the right diet and better health. From every perspective, there has been this failure of telling people of what they are buying because food labeling is a fast. The Grocery Manufacturing Association reports that over 70% of food in your kitchen has a toxic substance that produces multiple health issues, including tumors and cancer. Independent research has found that food is the biggest percentage where illness comes from. They also have found that some people being exposed to more than 84,000 different chemicals every day. You would think being able to trust our authorities and food watchdogs, we would assume the chemicals been tested for all the dangers they could pose. We just rely on them above to do so. Even some of the medical correspondents thought so, but the truth is we are blissfully unaware of that. When it comes to health and you want to protect it, only rely on yourself. It is your responsibility. It is your life. Make a shopping list. It's impossible to avoid all the nasty ones. The number one place where we can make a huge impact in what we eat is what we buy in the grocery store. What we bring home is what we will eat throughout the week, and if we make a healthy list, we will avoid the junk food that leads to high calorie impulse eating. Food is most nutritious when it is at its freshest and unprocessed. A good rule of thumb is to limit the amount of fat you eat and never hold back on the vegetables. Not to say all fat is unhealthy. The fat issue is often misunderstood and wrong information given over decades. The right fat is a vital nutrient that our body needs. However, fat is found in many foods, even some vegetables, so it is nearly impossible to not consume what you need even when aiming for a low-fat diet. Unless you are extremely active, your healthy shopping list will only need a small amount of meat, oils, and cheese to receive your daily requirements of protein. Fresh vegetables, fruit, and whole grains should always be the biggest part in your shopping cart. Preparing most meals early so that a regular homemade meal is more convenient than picking up takeout. Winter is a great time to fill up on beans and spices that make preparing soggy winter soups a breeze. If you freeze some for later, you will have a warm and hearty meal on hand to help through snacking temptations. Homemade soups are low in calories, inexpensive filling, and easy to heat up, delicious, and often taste even better the next day. Make your shopping list a healthy one. The healthy shopping lists, where you memorize the good food to buy such foods, are also great for tutoring and go hand in hand. The foods you choose are clean and full of fiber and nutrients that are not saturated with harmful types of additives and trans fats. Learn what the most beneficial and nutrient-packed fruits and vegetables are so that you make a habit to include a few into your healthy shopping list. Superfoods that are potent in antioxidants and vitamins include spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, radishes, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, citrus pomegranates, blueberries, walnuts, and many more. Buying these produce at local farmers markets is a better way to buy affordable, high quality, not only better for you, but supporting the local farmers as well. Produce at vegetable stands and farmers markets costs less than in the large grocery chains. The produce from your local market has not been needlessly shipped around the globe to get inside your grocery cart, so it's a more responsible decision for the planet. If space is not a problem, an herb and vegetable garden can go a long way for your health as well. Vegetables eaten within hours of being picked taste so much sweeter and have the most nutritional properties that they can muster. Not only having your own garden, it increases your buying power for more other healthy items on your shopping list. As an added bonus, you are also getting exercise, a major part of optimal health. As you are strolling along in the grocery store with your shopping list in hand is when you need strength to avoid temptation, at least most of the time. If you serious stick to your well-prepared shopping list and pick up only wholesome foods that pack nutrition inside every calorie, you will be eating for your health while shedding excess weight as you go along. The most important step to healthier life is the change to healthy diet.